Good morning. It is Saturday, the 20th of December. And that means it's the 20th day of Vlogmas. Today's coffee has flavor notes of jasmine, peach, and orange. And it is a Cup of Excellence winner, so that is exciting. Here's a little bit of an update of the cactus. Look at this. Also, my orchid has gotten bulbs, so that's exciting. I have had a pretty slow morning. I've been reading, drinking coffee, puzzling my jigsaw puzzle. We also got some groceries delivered this morning, which was really nice. Some nice yogurts and some other things, veg, stuff like that. I am planning on making some smoked carrot today, so we can have for breakfast tomorrow. Also, I am doing some chores. It being the first weekend that I haven't had like plans or anything for a very long time, so I need to do some chores as well. Even though I wish I wouldn't have to, but they don't do themselves, unfortunately. Adulting is not the most fun part, is it? Anyhow, something else I really want to do today is bleach and dye my hair, so I might actually do that first and decorate for midwinter, like for Yule. Tomorrow is winter solstice, and it's a sunny day today. I am enjoying the sunny weather from inside. That's what I'm doing today. Not to use up all my spoons today, I have realized that I should probably dye my hair tomorrow. And not today, because I want to decorate the tree and do some other stuff as well. So I'm going to let the hair rest until tomorrow. I had some more plans of things to do today, but I have admitted that I'm not able to. I've actually been having a mild migraine attack today, so there's that. Fortunately, not so bad that I had to be in a dark room or anything, but still tiring. I did take meds and I get kind of drained. I've puzzled today. I read my book. I did progress in both the book and the jigsaw puzzle. I bleached my hair, did some chores, and I decorated the tree and a little bit of other decorations. So that's like tick, tick, tick of things I really wanted to do today. And tomorrow it's winter solstice. Finally, finally, it's going to become lighter and lighter instead of darker and shorter days all the time. So I'm looking forward to that. And with that said, I am going to end for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you managed to get to this part of the video, leave a little sun emoji in the comments. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!